Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change text size inside of Rentry. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'll put in some text here. So this is called test. Now if I want to preview, it's going to be the same size. But if I go ahead and put a hashtag in front of it, like so, and if I go preview, you can see this is larger. Now if I go ahead and add another hashtag, let's go ahead and look at preview. So you can see this is changing the height or the size of the text by using hashtags. Now, if you've got a big bunch of wording here, we can go ahead and change it all. So what I'm going to do is just copy and paste this a million times, like so. I'm going to get rid of the hashtags. Now, if we go preview, you can see here it's small. We can go ahead and click on the metadata here and click on example. If we scroll down, we're going to see the text size here. So here we go, we've got content text size 16 pixel. So basically what we want to do, we want to copy this line, Control C, and then come to metadata, paste it in here, and then if we go ahead and change where it says 1 rem, I might change this to 3, and if I go preview, that's going to change the text size, or I can do say 6, the preview, see it's getting bigger again.